Living faith and loving life through Jesus Christ. That's our mission here at First Church. Hi, this is David. I want to let you know that this week is our Faith in Action special program where we take our service out into the streets. I want to invite you to join us here at 9 o'clock as we'll be having one service this week, which means there's no worship at 11 o'clock. It'll be a condensed service. We'll have a time of prayer, of song, of communion, and then that charge to go out as we help others in our community, whether it be painting, whether it be restringing guitars in a school, might be helping out in Wesley's Closet and other ways in which we connect with people and let them know the love of Jesus, that we'd like you to be a part of that. See you here on Sunday at 9 o'clock as we reach out with our faith and we show that action in the love of Jesus Christ in which we have. See you Sunday.